So, we're waiting on TT to get ready because she wants to film too.
Yeah.
Not right now.
I'll give you thinking for a table.
Okay.
Yours heavy.
I'm gonna put your stuff over there in the phone. Okay. All right.
I play Roblox. You need to Roblox?
No, I'm filming. Hey guys, welcome back to Her Home Is, and if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Now today's video, I am going to be showing you a few items that we did get in. So this is going to be a haul and also a little review as well. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into the video, and I do have our handy dandy assistant with us today, Miss TT.
Hello.
So we're gonna jump right into this video, you guys. Now I did order the home DIY Hamdi brand of my cabinet candles.
Wait, that's cabinet peppers.
And each pack came with, I think it was 17. And I was going for something that I didn't have to change out where my holes were. But these are still a little bit different. So I'm going to have to still do some adjusting with that as well. But we have that. It's a 17-piece set. That is that brushed nickel. I did get these from Amazon, you guys. I am including the link for everything from the various places down in that description. So make sure you click that link. Also, never ever forget, I do keep useful information for you down in that description. You can always click on my links. It costs you nothing. Some of my links are affiliate, and I do receive a small commission by you clicking on them. So keep that in mind. I will receive a small commission on some of the links, and you also receive a discount. So it's like a double bang. But once again, these are polished nickel door pulls. And like I say, I was going for trying to keep it on the scale of what I already have far as my hole placement, but I am going to still have to change it. But we do have those. I did order 2 packs. Now it does come with that. It also comes with screws as well. It does come with the screws as well for the handles. So you're going to get to see our next upgrade that we're going to be doing in the kitchen. Also while we are preparing for full-scale summer. We feel it.
What?
While we are preparing for full-scale summertime, you guys. And this Hamdi or Home DIY, whatever, I know I'm tearing up their name. I will put the link for these down in the description. Now, you guys, when I did order these cabinet hardware, you guys, they was actually on sale. Okay, Hamdi 15-pack brushed nickel. Overall drawer pull. So when I did order these, you guys, I do think this 15-piece set, I think it was like $18 or $19. I do know I got them for under $20, and I had to have 2 to cover all of my cabinets in the kitchen. So we do have both of those. And my next item is the 6-piece silver. I can't part of that. I think these are going to be my candlesticks.
Same.
My candles candlesticks. I ordered a 6-piece set. So I think this is what it is. It is. How that set came. Once again, it's a 6-piece set. And it's actually 6 completely different sizes. My other gold set was 2 3-piece sets, but it's 6 different sizes, and we are going to go ahead and assemble these on the camera as well. And they're pretty simple to do. They're very simple to do.
Very.
You have your bases, and they do have our felt bottom with that silvered face. So we have all 6 of those. All 6 are the same, you guys. They're all the same. All 6 of the stems, you guys, they are just like the other one. They look different. We have 3 different sizes and 2 of each size. As you can see that, you have your small, medium, and your large. I do need another set because this is going to be on my buffet and some on my kitchen table because I want to display more of my tapered or to pure candles. The tops.
Ooh, the tops.
And all of the tops actually should be the same size, but all of our tops looks like this. See that inside? And we're going to go ahead and assemble these right quickly. And it doesn't take you long, you guys, to put these together. For the assembly, you're going to take the base. And when you take your stem, you'll see that you can actually fasten it on any end because you're going to just connect. And just take your base, screw it in. Typically when I do these, I do like to wear my gloves. Then you're going to take your top.
Take the top and screw it.
And that's it, you guys. So just repeat 5 more times.
Yeah.
That's it. Now, what I am going to do is, once we finish, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, because everything that I pull out, you will see it placed at the end of the video. And they did come from Amazon, you guys. This 6-piece set, the silver does cost more than the gold. Don't ask me why, but my silver set was like $22. I'm sorry, my gold set was like $22.99, but the silver set was $36.99. The silver do cost more. You know, I do love my white gold and my silver color, you guys. But that's it. I will put the link down in the description. Our next item is lampshade. Now, if you caught TT's last video, I told y'all those shape fluid lampshades. I am fully over them. We're gonna trash them, but I did order another set, and these are the 15-inch shades. So you get your 2 drums and your 4 rings. It does come with a set of instructions, but because I utilize these a lot, I do not need assistance with the instructions. Clean up all of my space to get all of the stuff out of the boxes from everywhere. I probably have over 100 boxes of sponsored and non-sponsored items that I do need to get out the way. So when you do see these sponsored and non-sponsored videos, you're going to see the same outfit. It's the same day your girl is batch filming. So don't see one and come back and say, do she not change clothes? Y'all are not new to this. You're true to this. So you do know how we do film videos. So we are going to put the lampshade together. You have your bottom ring and your top ring. Now once we have that shade unraveled, I need you to hold off the table for a second. You stay in your chair. You guys, you do know you start with the top. Now, this is just a personal preference for me. When I do my top, when you have the shade, top of the shade, get it down, we filming, wait a minute. When you have the shade with the riser where it lifts up, I always make sure this is placed up as opposed to this way. So when you see these, this should bank up and this should be the top. Then you catch the shade. You watched me do these before. You got your hooks here.
I think that before.
So, and you do know, you have to put them on at the same time. So I got that hook in there. This is how I typically start mine, you guys. I snap 2 in place. And then I let it sit. Then I snap the 2 in place for the bottom. Now the reason I do mine this way, because when you get to the end of the shade, you do not want no extra port in any one between your snaps, because when you get to the end, the Velcro will not snap and fully close the shade. Once I hit the 3rd snap, I'm going to show you what I do. I begin to push on the thing so I can tighten the loop. Then we're going to roll the last 2. And as you can see, rolling it, you should already see how my shade is going to connect. That gun should completely close and give you a perfect look. Voila. Once again, stay tuned. You're going to get to see these placed on TT's lamp. TT's is attempting the other one. I'm going to drop the camera for you to see her working it, but this is what it looks like when you see that. And these was $50. I will put, I think these were $27.99 for just for the set. I'm going to link that link and put the price on the screen if that price isn't correct. Don't tear up the shade. Okay. Show them your shade.
Huh?
Oh, you got the shade all bent. She bent the shade all to pieces. But there's TT shade. So there go both of the shades. Once again, make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see everything in this video placed where it needs to be.